Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you have this kind of problem, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this, you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you need to find App Store. So guys, wait for a few seconds to find App Store in this tab. So guys, here is the App Store, you can see. So guys, you need to click here, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, after this, here is the option of personalized recommendations. So guys, you need to click here. And guys, after this, here is the option of clear app usage data. You need to click here. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and open your settings again. And guys, after this, you need to open your Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this, you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys, after signing out, you need to sign in again your Apple ID in your iPhone. So guys, after doing this, you need to click on sign in and security. So guys, you need to click here and wait for a few seconds. So guys, after this, you need to scroll it down. And here is the option of automatic verification. So guys, make sure that it is on. So guys, after doing on, you need to click on change password. Here is the option of change password. Guys, you need to click here and wait for a few seconds to open this tab. So guys, if not opening, then you need to click it again and wait for its opening. So guys, here you need to put passcode of your iPhone and wait for. So guys, here is the option of new password. So guys, here you need to change your new password, write your new password, and here you need to verify your new password. And guys, after changing your password, you need to click on change. And after changing your password, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your app store smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.